Next up, we have Russian twist. Do it slow and controlled, and my abs were burning.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Girls Catitude. In this video today I'm going to share my experience that I had with Chloe Ting's workout program. Yes, I tried the Chloe Ting workout program and I would love to share my experience with you. I hope that my experience will help you if you are thinking to attempt this challenge. So yeah, let's get started. I will give you some background about me. This was not the first time that I was doing the exercises. I knew about the exercises a lot and I used to do during my college time. I played a lot. I used to play badminton. So yeah, I knew many things about the fitness also. So yeah, when I was scrolling down the internet, I found some of her videos about the exercises. I saw that and I was really motivated because first of all, her personality is so cute. She is so cute and her energy is awesome and her exercises are really cool because I don't like the repetition of the exercises, and her exercises are like changing after each and every 30 seconds and 45 seconds. So I really choose her workout for myself, and then I started on the 3rd of March. So yeah, my journey started on 3rd of March. It all started on March 3rd when I realized that yeah, I'm kind of overweight. At that time my weight was 65 kg and I was a bit bulky as well as unhealthy. I had a double chin on my face and I realized that the time has come that I should go for something. My stomach was very big, my tummy was very big and my waist was around 30. I have noted down everything in a copy. I'll put a screenshot for you so that you can see my results of each and every week, how I have transformed myself. I didn't take this challenge to show anyone else or something. I just wanted to achieve my goal, and the goal was to get healthy and fit like I was in my college days. For that I also did some small changes, like I made my own schedule, like I will do only 4 days exercise per week and not more than that. And in the beginning I started only from 30 minutes of exercise, and gradually basically I developed my schedule more and more, and then I increased my workout timing as well as I increased the intensity and difficulty level of the workout. So yeah, my suggestion to you is don't be cruel on yourself. Be gentle, be consistent, that will be fruitful for you. I'm going to show some of the clips and some of the results, and I have already finished this challenge maybe couple of weeks ago. And yeah, so basically this is a small part of my weight loss journey. This is not only about the challenge, and it took me about 45 to 50 days to completely get in that shape and figure which I wanted, that is to achieve my goal.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember? Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
guys, now the time has come, the result day. So basically on 24th April I took my measurements, and I didn't take measurement because I wanted to do it, because when gradually I was doing workout and the people were noticing me, and my friends and my family members, they were saying, oh my god, Samni, you are changing, you are now looking much more prettier and much more fitter than earlier. So yeah, I thought that I should try my old clothes as well. And when I tried my old clothes, you won't believe that all of the clothes were fitting to me. I will show some of the pics also. So the final day when I took my measurement, I was 54 kg. So I lost more or less 10 to 11 kg in just 8 weeks, I would say. That is about 2 months, less than even 2 months. So yeah, it was a great achievement for me. So overall my whole body was in shape, it was toned, and you can relate with the before and after pictures. So the result is really great. This was the thing, basically this was the goal that I wanted to achieve, that I didn't stop in between after doing 2 weeks summer shade challenge. I wanted to complete it for myself, so I just continued. I took a lot of challenges, I tried many variations of exercises. Basically I didn't stop. So first tip I would say that if you are thinking to do this exercise in the morning, just make sure that you are eating something light first, like maybe some banana or apple or something, because in the morning for me, I felt that whenever I tried to do exercises in the morning, I was so tired. I was not able to complete the exercise properly during the morning time. But when I switched my time to the evening, I was more energetic, and my form was also more good. So yeah, I'm kind of an evening person, so you just think of that part. Talking about the second tip, I would suggest you to complete your exercises in the correct form. Correct form means that do not rush the workout actually. If you are not able to complete the workout, that is completely okay. The third tip is your diet. Basically, I would suggest that if your diet is healthy or semi-healthy, then your result will be awesome and you will see the result in a shorter period of time. My diet was also kind of semi-healthy. It was not because I didn't want to eat junk food or something else. It was because of the lockdown in India. During that time, all of were in the lockdown, and I was not able to eat junk food or any kind of oily food. So yeah, I ate only proper Indian food. I'm very happy to share my experience with you, and I hope that it will motivate you also. Hope you liked my journey, and at the end I would love to thank Chloe Ting for all her efforts and all her exercises. She is giving so much to us, and her exercises have helped me a lot, and I know that she has helped many people in the world. So yeah, I think she's great and I love her, and I'm very happy with my results. I hope that this video will help you also. So this was all, guys. I hope that you liked this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and yeah.